like Istanbul is the best city for me all over the world. I like to cook a lot. Also, I am in the gastronomy. It's best way to escape from the traffic, I think. Yeah.
Turkish people drink a lot of coffee?
Yeah, I am a coffee person.
Let's go start, bench or cut?
Turkish coffee.
Of course. Okay.
Ayran.
Yes, and tea.
And tea, yeah.
That's crazy. For me, that's crazy.
Restaurant number 2, some traditional
This is the
Turkish
one that you've
food.
been telling us about.
We're about to have some traditional Turkish lunch, but remember, she said she's 10 out of 10.
I don't remember.
Put that to the test. We have our incredible chef with us.
Hello, welcome.
How are you doing, chef?
Fine, thank you.
Good, thank you. So I've been told that we will have a lucky new chef joining you today in the kitchen. Is that correct?
Yes. We are together in Turkish cuisine, this lamb or the freak. We are cooking together.
She said she's a 10 out of 10 in the kitchen.
He said also he can do just eggs. That's why we didn't select him.
He wasn't selected,
because
unfortunately.
we don't want to stay hungry.
You want to start?
Let's do it.
So I have so much pressure and I'm so excited right now because first time in front of the camera, I'm in the kitchen and...
You played in the most pressurized games for club and country, but are you more nervous right now?
She's played in the Olympics, right? And she's saying she's nervous right now. What?
Different stage.
Different stage.
Yeah, I was so confident, so I don't want to disappear.
It's gonna be a 10 out of 10.
And failure. I have to be good. And you're my guest today and I am your guide and I have to be...
And today, me and Denzel are also going to be the judge.
Vegetable preparing. And next step for mixing is lamb. Next course is here.
Yeah, I'm just helper.
So what is this?
Time.
Time. I usually just get these in packets. So
You got to level your game up.
yeah, I'm using this in a packet. So this is
This
insane.
is first mixed and then salt and this thyme,
I'm excited.
bell pepper and then mixed. You know, Turkish name salsa.
Salsa.
Tomato paste.
Paste, yeah.
Bell pepper paste.
Bell pepper paste,
Yeah. It's the
Wow.
first this lamb. Kıvırcık, very famous lamb.
shoulder.
This lamb shoulder. This is very nice.
Zehra, have you ever made something like this before?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, of course.
Nobody's believing that I am cooking good.
We believe in you.
Not professional that much, but like I have taste and like I'm doing good.
In the
Thank you very much.
Oh, the pressure is
This
on.
is normal stuff. So
The pressure.
I lift it up now and put it underneath. This is yes.
Please be careful.
Yeah.
I have to go out.
No pressure. No pressure, Dance.
slow. Slow. Yes.
Nicely
play.
done, lad.
Yeah, I mean, I do this every
Natural,
day.
every day.
I do this every day.
Yeah.
Next step, firik pilav.
This is freak. It is his kind of different than bulgur and rice. Smelling a little bit smoky and like different taste than rice and bulgur.
Olive oil, and then this firik.
Very nice. Let's see what you guys hot here, huh?
It's very hot.
Very
Very
hot.
hot.
So
Those guys, you can't see it, but I'm burning right now.
Next step, this is lamb juice. Is here.
That's like lamb stock.
Yes, lamb stock. 2 hours in slow cook.
Slow cook.
Yes.
I think the chef's hand is made of steel, because if you do that, then you are, I don't think,
I quit my job.
yeah,
right
you're no
now.
longer a middle blocker, you know?
And then
It has to go. So one thing about it seems to us is like it's made with a lot of love. Like it takes a long time. Is that
Yes,
correct?
yes, yes, correct.
Everything takes a long time to prepare.
but one step, this is last day we have a water together and waiting is firik. Yeah.
So you do it the night before.
Yes.
It's a big preparation.
Yeah, 1 day since water is together is cleaning and then it's put in.
Yeah.
Turkish food is slowly, every time, slowly in cooking. It's more smell, it's delicious.
For me, their job is really difficult, as we can see that even I couldn't do that, and they are just staying there and giving their passion on the food and like to make us more happy, you know that like. And also, if you want to be a good chef, and you have to be passionate and sacrifice about everything, and like you have to love that job. Because if you don't like you can do just egg, you know.
Isn't that what you said? You gotta.
It's the same with volleyball, though, right?
Yeah, right. You
You
gotta
be
trust the
patient.
process.
Yeah.
You gotta love what you do.
Bir tanesi ben koydum.
Sorry, guys, you can't smell this, but this smells genuinely incredible.
This is next for this glaze.
Glazing.
Mesa paste. First mesa paste. And then oven is a little burn and then service.
Okay. The best middle blocker in the world is being tested right now with a lamb shoulder. Hand of steel. Uh-oh. Wow. 2 hours.
Yeah.
2 hours later.
Went from eggs to the lamb shoulder.
It's light work, man.
Easy
So
work.
simple. And you're right here.
Wow. It's ready? It's ready, chef.
You're welcome, guys. I put in a lot of hard work to that. And I hope you enjoy it.
What makes this meal so traditional? What makes it so traditional to Turkey?
This family meal. This is grandmother recipes, normal Anatolian cuisine. This is first in the table is meat with firik, with yogurt, and then final. This is for stomach. It's apricot juice, a little bit chili.
Okay.
Wow.
Crispy.
Yeah,
This
it's
is-
amazing, by
This
the
is
way. This
mesa
is
paste
not like
and
a
this a
meat.
little bit spicy.
Wow.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you so much. And then the yogurt was so much.
Yogurt.
Thank you so much.
It's amazing.
I loved every second of that. Oh my God. You have the crust, the crisp, like you said.
Yeah. But the sub,
And right here, the fat.
tender, thens
It's
out.
the fat in the middle. Before they get to the layer of the meat, it's so tender. And the meat itself is tender, it's juicy.
We always say this, like you can taste when food is made of love. And in this instance, it's extremely made of love. Everything has taken so long to get to this point in time, hours of preparation, hours of diligence. And we're very lucky enough just to be on the receiving end to be able to taste it all. So, I mean, you can tell when someone's quiet at the table and not talking, you know how good the food is. So, you
He's
listen.
outside of the world.
Let him enjoy. Yeah, he's locked in.
Look, guys,
Yeah.
it's some of the best food I've had
Yeah.
in my life. So I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. And I'm enjoying the conversation as well.
Yeah.
But-
Yeah.
It's really good.
It's really good, chef. Genuinely. What's the off day like for you? Like a day where, what's that off day look like for you?
It's not often, usually. That's why in the off day, I am just putting the things that about myself, like appointment with nutritionist and psychiatrist, like everything I'm trying to do that day, because like I want to give all my effort to this kind of things to take a result like 100%. That's why I am every time busy with that kind of things. But like, if I feel so tired and I don't have power to do this kind of things,
Yeah.
and I'm just telling to myself like, okay, Zehra, calm down. You can sleep all day at home.
Yeah.
You know, like I'm just living how I want.
Yeah.
But like in the end, I know my responsibility and I have to do the things what is working for me. I am planning like this.
How long do you think you're still going to be playing this game?
I will play that my desire is the same level, and like, you know, I will go for it until the end.
I love
that. Thank you so much for showing us around. Thank you so much for the lovely food that you made. I know I helped a lot, but you made. And I hope we come back and we see you again.
The last thing I want to ask you is if we're going to go get some street food later today, what is it that you recommend for us that we have to try? Since that we're not in Istanbul for long, we're not in Turkey for long. And chef, we need to know from you as well.
You should try midye.
Midye, maybe.
Midye, okay.
Kokoreç, Tantuni, maybe.
Okay. Midye, Kokoreç, and Tantuni. What we got it. Like Dan said, thank you both so much for your time.
This is tasting a apricot trees. Enjoy.
This is beautiful, by the way. I've been sipping on this during the conference as everything else, but this is beautiful.
Delicious.
Look at this queue. This is the queue to get into one of the best street food spots here in Istanbul.
I mean, there's no doubt this is the place where we should be.
For sure.
But we definitely got a while to wait.
We got to wait, so we might have to. It's going to be worth it though. It's going to be worth the wait.
Clearly.
No, this is sick, bro. Look at this. Look at this, bro.
Wow.
This is... Sorry. Don't you? Yeah, thank you. Cheers! Thank you very much. So this is traditional. Traditional Ayran.
Thank you very much. Have you had it?
I've had it before. For full transparency. So I think your reaction and your thoughts is the most important thing here. Let us know, Dance.
It's yogurty. That's the best way I can describe it. It's like a yogurt taste. Yeah, but a bit sour, kind of punchy.
And it's liquid. I love it. Thank you, brother. Wow, 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 wow. Thank you very much. So this was a great start. Now look at this dance.
So what's the proper way to eat this?
So he mentioned grab some bread, grab some lamb like this. He said you can pinch it off. I'm going to kick off with some yogurt, some chili. Bro, that is incredible.
Yeah.
So delicious. It's crispy, but the yogurt, it balances it out so perfectly. Then coming in with the spring onion, with the onion and the crunch and the sumac.
I think my only problem was I just need a bigger piece.
Oh, you need a bigger piece. There you go.
I need more.
Get busy, Dance.
Whatever's good.
Get busy, Dance. We've been very... I think we have Turkish spots back in the UK. We have a lot of Turkish spots all across the world. But when you actually come to Turkey and you try the food yourself, you see the difference.
Zehra was right.
Zehra was right.
Shouts out to her.
Yeah. I can't wait to see what else the street food here in Istanbul has for us then. Brother, that was amazing. Amazing.
That was...
Thank you, brother. I will, brother. Thank you. And let's see what else Istanbul's got for us. Let's go. Let's go. This way, this way.
I'm ready. You left some space, yeah?
Yeah, always though. Look, it's this fish point.
Yeah, there's people are fishing right
People
here.
are fishing.
Bro, we might be...
Should we join the fish and get some fresh fish? Get
People are standing on the thing and fishing.
At what time is it?
What if you get drawn in?
8:30.
Fishing at 8:30.
Let's go right here. Let's go right here. Sit here. Thank you.
You got a fish?
Yes, please. Yeah, self-service? Okay, brother. Thank you so much.
Let's do it.
One. What do you want? One each?
Yeah, we got two.
Two, please.
Just take it straight from there.
Straight from there. Put it in. Mix it with salad.
They take it from a boat.
Yeah. That concept is so cool. It literally cook on a boat. That's amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow. Thank you very much. Thank you. Wow.
Okay, so this is quite literally taken straight off a boat
From the ocean.
and you can smell it.
Smells
That is
good.
extremely fishy. That
Some
is
good
extremely
fish.
fishy smell, yeah.
So it looks like, what fish is this?
Mackerel fish, mackerel.
Mackerel. Yeah, I thought it would be mackerel. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I thought it would be a mackerel because it's like a mackerel fish you can smell. Well, listen, They said pour some lemon juice on there. Let's get some nice lemon juice on there for you, bro. Let's do it, brother.
Okay.
That fish is so good, man.
I was a bit skeptical.
Yeah? Tell me why.
This is good.
You know what? It makes it so interesting to me. It's so simple. Like we saw in the other restaurant.
No.
Simplicity is key.
That's why I was skeptical, because it was so simple.
Some onions, some salad. But it's the simplicity that makes it so delicious, right? I think
Quality of the fish.
that's my point. And I think the quality of the bread. You know what? To that point, I want to try the fish by itself as well. It's excellent.
Yeah. Because it's soft, it's crisp as well.
When it comes to fish,
It got a lot of taste.
you can always be skeptical when you come to fish because some people, it might be too fishy for some people's taste. This is perfect. Let's enjoy this. Wow. That was genuinely so delicious. And I think for a second stop, it goes exactly into what Zehra was saying earlier. The fact that all the food here is cooked with so much love, so fresh and time.
Even if it's seafood, man, they're getting it straight off the boat. Anyways,
Yeah.
we need to end the day on some dessert.
Let's do it. Istanbul has been incredible. What's this that's been handed to us?
This can't be the dessert already. I think they just handed us this
Some Turkish,
from the fish restaurant.
Turkish donut stands. You do the first honor for me, please.
Well, this is like I can't even explain it. It's extremely sweet. It's like a glazed fried donut.
What's in it? Just like,
This is a donut.
wow.
I need to save some space for dessert.
Dessert?
This will fill me up.
Yeah.
2 more, I'm done.
It's crunchy, yeah.
Everything.
Yeah. Let's go. So yours is a traditional rice pudding.
You got rice pudding.
Of course, Denz has a nut allergy, so we can't give him some baklava. So I will have the baklava with the pistachio, and you're gonna try the traditional Turkish rice pudding. So this is traditional.
Traditional rice pudding.
Okay.
Normally, we put topped nuts.
Okay.
If you have allergy.
Yes. Thank you, brother.
Very much.
That's for you, Denzel.
Thank you. Sorry, we need to say this. Go on. Because I don't think we mentioned this, but
Yeah.
this place
Yeah.
that we're eating at right now was founded in 1864.
160 years ago.
I don't think it was even called Istanbul. Like it was like an Ottoman Empire or something. It was insane.
Wow. So listen, we've heard some incredible things when it comes to Turkish desserts. There's literally a dessert called Turkish Delight, right? So we have now got some traditional rice pudding and a traditional baklava here in Turkey. Then what a way to end an incredible trip.
Let's get into it before I say anything, but I feel like I can tell.
You know what?
Because looking at it already, the top is...
Wow.
Oh
Yeah,
my
well, you go
God.
first. You do go first. Yeah. It's good. Wow.
It's so sweet.
Talk to me, Denz.
It's so sweet. So, definitely a rice pudding.
Yep.
Okay. But this top layer
Yeah.
adds a different
As a dynamic, right?
consistency,
Okay.
for sure.
This is a pistachio flavored baklava, he said. One of the most traditional you can find here in Istanbul. Let's do it.
Hey, feel it.
Wow. It isn't too heavy, it isn't too oily, it's delicious. The pistachio feels just like everything else you've had in this trip, fresh. It feels like they've crushed the pistachios fresh and they made it. Special Denz. Genuinely. I think we made a fantastic decision coming here to wrap up the night with some lovely dessert. Wow.
I can complain.
Wow.
I cannot complain. That makes another wonderful episode of Taste of Europe That's episode 4.
So
We're in
cool.
Istanbul. We met the wonderful Zehra Güneş, one of the best volleyball players in the world. How you feeling, bro?
I just think, bro, this episode was so special from every front. We tried some incredible food, we learned some incredible experiences, and we're ending the night having some incredible street food and taking in this amazing scenery. So
Wow.
that wraps up episode number 4, Taste of Europe. Hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the SKWEEK YouTube channel. Let us know which city we need to go next.
Istanbul was in the comments.
It was.
Comment in the video.
Comment right now. Let us know where we need to go next. Until next time, guys, we are out.
Thank you.
Peace.
Whoever commented that, thank you.
Thanks. Wow, look at this, bro. Should we dive in?
You first.